What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's guide, let me show you how you can delete bulk numbers in MS Excel. First, you have to open the file you wanted to edit and delete in bulk on your Excel. Then select all the data on the table by using the shortcut Ctrl plus A. Then you will have to click Ctrl plus G. Take note that doing this keyboard shortcut means to press all the buttons at the same time. After that, you will see this prompt. Click Special at the bottom right on this one. Then you have to click Constants over here and uncheck Text and click OK. After that, simply press Delete and you're done. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.